Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick breakdown. So we're trading the Euro USD and the Gold USD as sells. So let's see how this goes. Let me show you why we're in this. So guys, first of all, what I basically do is I go on the daily chart. I look for some kind of daily confirmation, some kind of daily tell. I saw an interesting. Obviously, we've been kind of sideways, real interesting sideways movement. A little scary too to a lot of maybe novice traders, but not us. So what we saw, guys, was we saw some pretty solid resistance here. We're obviously able to identify some some interesting areas. So looking left, always looking at price action, we see that when we came down, we pulled right back up into resistance. Okay, we had some entries there. We have about 4 sells right now in the Euro USD. Had it sell down, took profit right around the support down here, bought it right here, went back up, took profit right up there, and now we're selling again with about 4 different sells because as you can see, we were rejecting pretty hard, and we had an early tell on the hourly. So obviously we knew kind of where the resistance was, we knew where price action was, and then we got our confirmation with this long ass tail, right? This wick. So we saw that, boom. It said boom, enter. Stop losses above here, and then as you see, we're dropping. Now a little secret, guys, the way that I get multiple entries is I go down. Once I identify the longer time frames, I go down in the lower time frames, and I basically do price action, right? So we had a massive drop. We did get in right at the top. We got lucky with 2 different sells. So we got one around right here and one around right 18,200. So right around right here. So went ahead and sell off, sideways consolidation, and then continuation. Sideways consolidation, another sell here, continuation, okay? Sideways consolidation, another sell here, continuation. So now we're just kind of watching it drop. All my stop losses that were previously all the way above here are now right above previous structure. So we're still safe. We have multiple defenses, and now we're just in massive fucking profit, okay? Excuse my language, sorry. Now with gold, I did the same type of thing. Went on the daily. As you can see, we had a daily trend. We broke that trend pretty significantly, and looking left, you can see there was a very strong resistance, okay? So we pushed, hold on. So we pushed right up into that resistance. I sold right into that box where my price action area was. As you can see, we've been trying to push up in here for a while and then kept failing. So I sold right at the top. I got real lucky with this entry. So right at the top here, and now we're just watching this thing drop. We only have 1 sell on gold because it's pretty volatile, so I want to see what happens here. But we did have a final push up here, and now we're seeing some rejection. Not sure if it's going to continue. I hope it does, but it's moving a little slow, so we're going to have to see. And then again, if I wanted to get multiple entries, I'm going to be here on the 5-minute, but I'm not comfortable yet. So as you can see, I mean, just as an example, there is a little bit of confirmation here. Looking at some price action, I guess, if you want to look, or supply and demand, whatever the fuck you call it. Looking left, we see that, we did break down below and then pull right back in and then started to reject again. I mean, you could have resold again, but I'm happy with the 1 sell on top of the 4 other Euro USD sells that I have. I don't want to risk too much. You know what I'm saying? You never know what the market may do. So all my stop losses are reduced risk. We're in a good position. We're in pretty awesome profit, guys. And on our auto trader right now, in the last 2 weeks, we've gained 20% return on investment in 2 weeks. So if you guys want to jump on that, feel free to message me, and I'll throw you on there. All right. I'll talk to y'all soon. Take care.